How to delete a contact on WhatsApp. First of all, launch your WhatsApp application on your device. Now, tap on the arrow icon at top right corner of the screen or the search icon. Or instead, tap on the plus button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, tap the search icon at top right corner of the screen and search for the name of the person whose contact you want to delete on WhatsApp. Now tap your username at top of the screen and here tap the three dots at top right corner of the screen. Tap edit, but unfortunately there is no any delete option. Instead, what you can do is come back to this section. So let's tap the discard button. And once you are on this section, if you want someone to be or to not be able to communicate with you on WhatsApp, but you still want them on your device's contact list, you can block them on WhatsApp instead if you don't have the delete option. So tap on block button and tap block, and this contact will be blocked and they will not be able to communicate with us. So that is it. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching.